Welcome, Walnut Grove parents and students. We are so glad you are here. I'm Ginia Fay.
And I'm Savannah Hohen. We are your PTO co-presidents for this year. We are grateful to have you as part of our Grizzly family, and we look forward to working alongside you to make this a special year at Walnut Grove.
The goal of the PTO is to strengthen our school community by bringing families together to help our children learn and grow.
To be truly successful as a parent-teacher organization, we need participation from every parent. This can look different for each family. Whether you work full-time or stay at home, whether you have small children or older students, there is a place for everyone to help at Walnut Grove.
We need your help to accomplish our mission of continuing to provide resources to our wonderful schools so we can support the hardworking staff at Walnut Grove and our award-winning principal, Dr. Kate Donnelly.
We hope you will consider becoming a member of the PTO. This will grant your family voting rights to the PTO budget and selection of PTO leadership. Your $15 membership dues are a show of support to the PTO. This does not mean you are required to attend the meetings, although our monthly meetings are open for any parent to attend.
Our fundraising campaign is currently underway with a new name, Grizzly Give-A-Thon. The Grizzly Give-A-Thon is in lieu of any other major fundraisers, which means we will not ask students to sell candy, wrapping paper, or popcorn during the school year. These monetary donations account for approximately 80% of our student funds and will go towards approved school programs, tools, and supplies to help our Grizzlies grow. Our suggested donation is $150 per student, but your participation at any level is a critical piece of support for our school. If we reach our school-wide goal of $38,000, the students will get to have a county fair line dance party. Yeehaw!
Due to last year's success, we are continuing to offer student packages that provide a one-click option that includes your donation to both Give-A-Thon and the Grizzly Fest prize drawing. It will also include your PTO family membership and free tickets for Grizzly Fest and the prize drawing. Please visit gogrizzlies.org to make your donation today.
Mark your calendars for Grizzly Fest on Friday, September 12th. Tickets are available to purchase online through August 28th, but tickets will also be available to purchase in person the night of the event. We'll see you there.
We are grateful to have you as a part of our Walnut Grove family. Your contributions, whether it's your time or your resources, are invaluable to our school and our teachers. We look forward to working together to make this a fun, successful, and memorable school year for our students.
As a reminder, the Grizzly Blast newsletter is sent out every Sunday and will have important information for each week ahead. Should you have any questions throughout the year or need anything at all, we are here to help.
Thank you for your time, and
Go Grizzlies!